Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you how to model the Death Star from Star Wars in 3ds Max. To start with, you're going to want to make a sphere. So you go to Create, then Geometry, should be under Standard Primitives, Create on Sphere, then click and drag to create your sphere. And that should be the base of your planet. I want to change the view to default shading, maybe edge to surfaces, and then I'm going to be moving that up a little bit there. And yeah, the next step would be to create a second one, just a smaller version of that sphere, because in the Death Star there should be a void down in the middle. So in order to do that, you're going to want to make an extra, a second sphere for you to add onto that, and then you're going to want to intersect these two spheres together till you have something a little bit like that. Maybe I'm going to want to adjust that a little bit. So you're going to want to create, select this tool, which is called Select in Uniform Scale. Click on the triangle in the middle, and then that should adjust the size of whatever item or like object you're selecting. So somewhere there. And then you're going to want to click on the largest sphere, go to Modify, under Modifier List, you're going to want to click on Boolean. Yeah, then under here you can see Subtract. Just want to click on the smaller sphere, and that should create that little subtracted void down in the middle. And then you could easily move the item. Yeah, and that should adjust the overall geometry of things. So once you have that initial geometry done, you're going to want to click on the modifier list again and search up Greeble, and then that should create all of these funky gears and geometries that you would normally see on a Death Star. Yeah, so you could play around with the heights of the panels, make them taller, shorter, and you could also play around with the widgets. That should change up different sizes. You could have none, or you could have all of them if you really wanted to. And you could play around with the sizes and heights of those as well. Thank you.